Okay, now we've got questions 23 and 24. Choose two letters A to E. Questions 23 and 24. Choose two letters A to E. Write the correct letters in boxes 23 and 24 on your answer sheet. We call it double multiple choice questions. And by the way, the location of double multiple choice questions, that is also in order. And if there are like out of 5, you got to select 2 in one paragraph, usually you find these 2 options. Okay, now let's just start with it. When comparing 20th century stadium to ancient amphitheater in section D. Section D means paragraph D. And by the way, section contains more than one paragraph. Please come back. Let's take a look at section D. How many paragraphs are there? Only one. All right. So it means answer is there. So he says when comparing 20th century stadiums to ancient amphitheaters in section D, which 2 negative features does the writer mention? 2 negative features. Now listen, you will not read A, B, C, D, E first. First you go back. In section D, you are going to find 2 negative features and then we come back here. So let's go back. 2 negative features. Okay, I'm reading this section D. Let's read it from the beginning. There are many similarities between modern stadiums and ancient amphitheaters. Found it? Okay, section D. Intended for games, but some of the flexibility was lost at the beginning of 20th century as stadiums were developed using new products such as steel and reinforced concrete and made use of bright lights for nighttime matches. Let's go on. Negative features. Many such stadiums are suitable in suburban areas. Okay, so he says many stadiums are suitable for suburban areas, means they should not be in the downtown. Suburban area means the area which is around the city. Underline this. Suburban areas designed for sporting use only, means they were just for sports, not for other purposes. Right? Underline suburban areas, then underline designed for sporting use only and surrounded by parking lots. Now, what are they? They are some negative aspects. Just focus again. Many such stadiums are situated in suburban areas, designed for sporting use only, and surrounded by parking lots. Okay? And then they say these factors mean that they may not be as accessible to the general public, require more energy to run and contribute. So these are negative features. Now look here. The first negative feature is situated in suburban areas. The second negative feature is for sporting use only. And third is surrounded by parking lots. Now come back. Okay, option A is they are less imaginatively designed. Now, by the way, the best way to deal with multiple choice is odd one out. Odd one out means eliminate the odd one. They didn't talk about imagination and all that. So A is not the right answer. B, they are less spacious. Less spacious means zyada bade nahi hai. They didn't mention that. Option C, they are in less conventional locations. Now, by the way, what is the word for less conventional locations? Suburban areas. Exactly. Less conventional locations. So C is the first correct answer. Option D, they are less versatile. Now listen, you know sometimes we say he has a versatile personality. Now why versatile? He's a singer, he's an actor, he plays piano also. That is a versatile thing. So when you say less conventional, when you say less versatile means for supporting use only. If they had other uses, then they could be versatile. Try to understand the point. Versatile means for sporting, musical concerts and exhibitions and all that. So when they say for sporting use only, that means they were less versatile. So the second correct answer is option D, less versatile. Is it clear? Then we have option E. They are made of less durable materials. They didn't mention material. Okay, so cleverly, if you eliminate 1 to 2 options, you can easily find the right answer, right? Let's go on. Questions 25 and 26. Choose 2 letters A to E. Now we've got to choose 2 letters A to E. Write the correct letters in boxes 25 and 26 on your answer sheet. Which 2 advantages, underline 2 advantages, of modern stadium design, underline modern stadium design. Which 2 advantages of modern stadium design does the writer mention? So 2 advantages, modern stadium design. Let's come back. Can you see today's most innovative architects in paragraph E? Okay, I told you answers are going to be in order. So in paragraph E, like section E, first paragraph, you will find both answers. Let's read it together. And what are we looking for? 2 advantages, absolutely. But many of today's most innovative architects see scope for the stadium to help improve the city. Among the current strategies, 2 seem to be having particularly success. The stadium as an urban hub, underline, stadium as an urban hub where people of the city can come and meet and all that, okay? And as a power plant. So 2 advantages, one is urban hub and second is power plant. Now please come back. Option A, offering improved amenities for the enjoyment of sports events. No, it's not A. Option B, bringing community life back into the city environment. Yes. Why yes? Because they use the word urban hub. Now what is urban hub? A place where the people come and meet and all that. Bringing community life back into the city environment. That's the first correct answer. Option C, facilitating research into solar and wind energy solutions. They talk about powerhouse, but they did not mention wind and solar energy solutions. Okay. Option D, enabling local residents to reduce their consumption of electricity. Not at all. They did not mention anything like they reduce their consumption of electricity and all that. Option E, providing a suitable site for the installation of renewable power generators. That is the right answer. Providing a suitable site for the installation of renewable power generators, and for that they use the word power plant. Power plant is a place where there are power generators and all that. So the correct answer is option B for boy and option E for elephant.